Yes, I am Karthik Reddy from grade 2 Hazel. I am your husband for today's assembly, conducted by grade 2 letters. Invite the blessing of Almighty. I Mother morning prayer. Our duty toward our lesson. Now I going to invite Nani to say pledge. Nani, come on to pledge. Let's make a pledge. What do we call people who play sports? Let's do the right answer. And answer is play. They are grade 2. Grade 2. Who, what, do, the players play and they play? Let's do the right answer. And answer is helmet. They are grade 2. Grade 3. What do we call teams that win state games? Yes, this is the right answer. And answer is winner. Grade 2. Grade 4. How many players are there in football team? Yes, this is the right answer. And answer is there. Grade 5. Which Indian Kerala students science kids? I repeat again. Which Indian Kerala Grade 6. What do we call the score of zeroing so beautiful today. I love come to here. Oh, you make it every day. To grow flowers. Lord, these flowers help me to find food. Yes, kindness and helping make good better. Yes, so here each other. Moral it is helping each other make everyone happy. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here today weather update. Minimum temperature 31. Maximum temperature 31 degrees. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Thank you everyone for your